Is FungiClear Phrena a scam, or is it the real deal for fungal nail infections? Let's get straight to the facts. First off, FungiClear Phrena isn't your average miracle cream you see flooding your social feeds. It's a topical treatment packed with natural antifungal heavy hitters, like tea tree oil and oregano oil, both of which have solid reputations for fighting fungus. So, is it legit? Well, customers on Trustpilot rated a solid 4.8 out of 5 stars. That's excellent by anybody's standards, and most reviews say it works, especially for mild to moderate infections. Phrena claims the formula was developed by podiatrists and dermatologists, and it doesn't just stop at antifungals. You also get ingredients like vitamin E and copper peptides for nail regrowth and repair. But here's what you need to know before you click buy now. Most users see real progress in about 4 weeks, but total clearance can take up to 12 or even 20 weeks. So if you're after quick fixes, this isn't magic in a bottle. And a heads up, if your infection is severe, topical creams, no matter how good, often aren't enough. You might need oral meds or even laser treatments. Now for the red flags, the FDA sometimes requires OTC antifungals to note they're not effective on nails. That's because prescription meds penetrate deeper. So don't fall for wild marketing promises, and definitely avoid shady third-party sites that guarantee instant results. If you want to try FungiClear Phrena, stick to the official website. That way, you know you're getting the real deal, and you're covered by their 90-day money-back guarantee. Bottom line? FungiClear Phrena is legit for mild to moderate cases, but it's not a miracle cure. Do your research, manage your expectations, and always check with your doctor for the best advice.